Write a program that separate two nibbles of a number stored in 2600H. Store the same in location 2601H and 2602H. The program must also multiply the two nibbles and store the product in 2603H. Here consecutive memory locations are there. When consecutive memory locations are there, that memory location generally we indicate with the number in HL. So first initialization part should take place. Here number in 2600 is A3. First Alexa H2600 in HL brought the number 2600. Then move M to A. The number A3 is transferred to accumulator. And next move M to B. The same number again brought to register B. We already studied when you have to separate the nibble, that means here least significant 4 bits are required as it is, and here most significant bits are not required. The bits which required as it is, we have to perform AND operation with a bit putting as it is 1111, because this part required as it is, the part which required as it is, put 1 there, and the part which is not required, put 0 there. Whatever number you get, perform the AND operation with it. As you perform the AND operation with number 0F, the bit 1111 at position it gets as it is, that means you will get 0 0 here. Sorry, here all you will get 0 0 0 and 0, and this get as it is, that means 0 3. Here ANI 0F, you will get 0 3. This you have to store to the next consecutive memory location, and you have to transfer it to the any one of the general purpose register, because this number is required further for the multiplication. INXH, it becomes 2601. Move A to M, that 03 goes to that memory location. Move here A to D also, that means here number is taken to D. Number is taken to D, INXH, move A to M. Again the original number is brought to the accumulator with the help of instruction move B to A. Move B to A. With the help of that instruction we brought the original number. When you perform 4 times RRC, the digit position gets exchanged. Here A3 is there, instead of that you will get 3A. Instead of that you will get 3A. In the accumulator, after you execute RRC 4 times. Again same logic is to be applied. Here A is required as it is and 3 is not required. Last 4 bits required as it is. Next, most significant bits are not required, therefore perform AND operation with 0F. You will get here, after execution of that you will get 0A. You have to transfer this number in one of the register, it is transferred to register E. Then INXH, go to the next and move A to M, the number is taken to the next. Now you have to perform the multiplication of these two numbers, separated nibbles, separated digits. XRAA, with the help of XRAA, the content of accumulator becomes 0. Now A multiplied by 3 is nothing but A is to be added 3 times. So add E, content of A is content of E is added, you will get answer A. 1 times it is added, therefore decrement D, you will get 0, 2. It is not 0, therefore again add E, you will get here 14. Second times added, therefore decrement, you will get 0, 1. That means one more times you have to add. Jump not 0, here 1 is answer, not 0, therefore go to the instruction, label add up, again add E, you will get the answer 1E. Decrement D, here D becomes 0. If it is not 0, then go to the label instruction labeled up, but now it is 0, therefore INXH, it becomes 2603, and whatever answer in accumulator, that is the product of these two numbers, store it to the given memory location, that is 2603. This is all about the program. Now we are going to execute this program. Here we will execute the program separate, nibble and multiply step by step. LXIH 2600, 2600, in that memory A3 is there. It is brought to accumulator, taken to register B. ANI 0F, it is 03, it is taken to D as well as to the next memory location. It is taken to D as well as to the next memory location. Then we are bringing original data. 4 times RRC, you will get the data in reverse order. ANI with 0F, you will get 0A, taken to E and to the next memory location. We are executing, that is XRAA, accumulator is made 0, add E, decrement D. Again add E, decrement D. Add E, decrement D. Execution stops. Here you will get the result in that memory location as 1E. Same program will execute on a different microprocessor kit. Here you are getting a different microprocessor kit. Program is already entered. Now I will show the contents of memory location 2600. Reset, set memory 2600, number is A3. And result is at 2601, 02 and 03. At present program is not executed, that's why you are getting 0. Reset, go 2000 and execute the program. After execution of the program, you will get the result here. A3 is there, least significant digit, most significant digit and multiplication. Same you can check here. Reset, exam memory 2600, A3, 03, 0A and multiplication. That's all about the program.